Hey guys, this is Metra Train Boy Style here.
To what? What you?
Hey, I have a YouTube channel too. It's called Metra Train Boy Style for filming trains.
Metra Train Boy Style?
Yep.
That's a good name.
You guys had it viewers?
Yeah, this is Janny Dukes with Crazy Monster Boy. We're taking the train from Hinsdale to Naperville as the York Dukes are taking on the Naperville Central Red Hawks in the IHSA Class 8A state semifinals.
We'll be there.
We will be there. Everyone with a pulse, you gotta be there.
Yeah, 40 PHM-2. At 40 PHM. Oh. I think we should go in that car. Oh. Sorry.
Alright, which
that car.
let the passengers get off first.
Yeah. Yeah. Yep.
This, I think it's this one. This one's the second from the end.
This is
Caution.
Yeah.
The doors are about to close.
Oh, no, this is it. It's just fine.
This one? Oh yeah, I'm still.
This one. I'm hoping for an express engine to go by.
God, I've never been in the train where it's this pitch black in a long time.
Oh.
You got tickets.
Oh.
Mr. Conductor.
Tap one time on the train. Thanks.
I got two.
I have two.
Oh, okay. I had the number two. I wasn't sure. Train rides are relaxing, aren't they?
Here we are. We're at Naperville with my best friend Janny Dukes.
Yeah. Yep, I know where we are.
Have a good one, guys. Be safe.
Is
We
this,
will.
Make sure. Is this Naperville?
It is.
Alright.
This is the perfect spot.
Alright. I'm gonna start running to the stadium, alright?
Okay. Actually, okay. I mean, I think it's best if you wait here.
I'll wait. There's a tunnel. I'll wait under the tunnel.
Okay.
Alright?
That's better. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 coaches. There it goes off to Route 59. I don't remember what number it is. Yeah. This is my best friend Janny Dukes. Justin. Coming! Train's gone now. Alright guys.
Alright guys, the Dukes have beaten Naperville Central and we are headed to state next week at Illinois State University. We're going to play Loyola and now we are about to board the train.
The Metra inbound
From
train.
Naperville to Hinsdale.
When we get back to Hinsdale, I want to know which locomotive is on the back.
I'm gonna guess F40PH-3.
I'm hoping so. If not, I think
F40PH-3.
yeah.
Let's see, what train is it?
I do not like that hissing. Oh, let's board in that car.
We'll look at it when we get off the train. Take the front.
Thank you.
Go, Tom.
I think. Oh, they don't have any outlets. Sorry, we couldn't.
I don't think this train has outlets at all.
Ugh.
We should have just sat in that whatever car we went.